To begin this mindfulness meditation, just let yourself get into a comfortable position, whatever that looks like for you. When your body feels ready, you may gently close your eyes. With your eyes closed, take a moment to tune inwards. Start by simply noticing your body, tuning in to the weed of gravity, the points of contact between you and the surface on which you are resting. What else do you notice? What is it like for you to be in your body right now? As you observe this, simply accept and allow whatever it is you notice, harboring no judgment. Just be mindful, noticing what is with a sense of compassion in your heart and letting it be. Continue to do this now with your breath as well as your body. If you haven't already, begin to tune into the sensations of breathing. What do you notice? Just observe, accept, and allow. No judgment, just letting everything be as it is. As you stay mindful of your breath and your body, maintain a sense of compassion in your heart. Keeping your eyes closed, allow your awareness to expand to include the space around your body. It's as if you can sense the air around you, the objects around you, and you just allow them to be as you simply are. There is nothing to do and nothing to judge. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Don't judge it. Just return your focus to what is, being connected to your breath, your body, and your sense of presence in the world around you. You let everything simply be, including yourself. Now begin to let your attention travel back, becoming more and more aware of physical sensations by rolling your shoulders, wiggling your fingers and toes, still being mindful of what is. Take this present moment awareness with you as you slowly begin to open your eyes back to the world around you. Wonderful job doing this practice. We hope you enjoy the rest of your beautiful day.